my presentation is about service dogs, and I will explain you guys what is service dog and what is service dog, service dogs and human disabilities, the difference between service dogs and therapy dogs, the training purpose, the impact, and my conclusion after this work. Just change it. I chose this topic because I'm a dog lover. I love dogs. I raised dogs for all my life since I have 4 years old, and I'm in love with them. And I know their emotional power in human life, but I would like to learn more. And because of this, I want to know about you guys. What do you know about dogs? Do you know all things that they are able to? Do you know what they can do? They have a big power in human life, not just as a pet. A lot of people have different kinds of disabilities, and people with disabilities need help in their everyday lives, in everything they do. And those people can be helped by dogs. And service dogs can provide assistance for people with disabilities. This type of dogs are called as service dogs. So what is a service dog? The U.S. Register defines service dog as an individual dog who is trained to perform specific tasks for people with disabilities. So they can be trained to help someone with a disability, a different type of disability. But what they can do? Service dog can deliver a pizza. No. They can guide, they can alert a person, they can protect someone. They are really helpful in recovering of post-traumatic stress disorder, psychological disorder. They can help in recover this, but who they can help? They can help the blind, they can help the deaf, they can help diabetic person, they can help autistic children, and they can help veterans of wars. Where they can go. The ADA, Association Disabilities Act, permits a person with disability take his service dog wherever he goes, because this person needs this dog. And the dog has permission by law to go everywhere. And they have to use vests or tags, recognizing that they are a service dog. But it's really important to know that if you see a dog with a tag or a vest saying that he's a service dog, you should not pet them, you should not talk with them, because they have to have this attention direct for all his attention direct for the person that they are assisting. And some people confuse service dog with therapy dogs, but they are different types of dogs. Service dogs, they are therapy dogs, but therapy dogs is not service dogs. And service dogs is covered by the law to go everywhere. Therapy dogs, they are not. They are pets, they are not working animal, and service dogs are working animal. So what is a therapy dog? A therapy dog is defined as a dog which is used to bring joy, to bring happiness for people who is like sad, is suffering with something, but it's not a disability. People in shelters, people with stress, and where they can go. They are not covered by law to go everywhere as service dogs, but a lot of places permit the therapy dogs. As hospitals, nursing homes, schools, homeless shelters, they go there to help people to be happy, to forget their problems, to relieve stress. And Lollipop Farm is an organization in Rochester which has a program called Pet Assistant Therapy. I did my interview with the coordinator of this program, Joette Hartman. This program visits over than 10,000 people per year. They go to school, they go to homeless shelter, they go to assistant facility. The best breeds to be a service dog is Labrador, Golden Retriever, and German Shepherd. To therapy dogs, any breed can be trained, but those breeds is the best one because they have the perfect size, they are easy to train, they are friendly, they are smart, and German Shepherd is usually used to be a K9. And they are training to pulling a wheelchair, to guide a blind person, to alert a deaf person or a diabetic person when the blood sugar is low. They can smell this and alert the diabetic person to take his medicine and protect our children with autism. One of the types of training is the training for guide dogs. The dogs are raised by foster families for 12 to 18 months, and then they back to school to receive the specific trainings to be a guide dog. This one is the hard training for dogs. The dogs to be a guide dog is which take more time. And a service dogs can work for 10 years and then they are retired. Sometimes the people who is using the dog keep them, but when this is not possible, they are put for adoption. And the cost to train a service dog is between $20,000 and $60,000. It depends on which disability they will have. This boy, Sam, he has severe autism and he has his changed life since he took Hagrid, a Labrador, as a service dog. Sam refuses to walk, don't have communicating with people, and Hagrid help him to create bonds with people, to communicate more, to walk more, to be more calm. So the impact that a service dog has in human life, as John Moon say, the dogs are the perfect match for people because they offer unconditional love, enjoy have a task, and just want to give. So the service dog is there for you 24 hours a day. They will not leave you. They can help you all the time. With my project, I conclude that my love for dogs as a pet is unconditional, but they are so much more, they can do so much more, they can really help, they can sometimes save the human life. So I think we have to give more attention to those little creatures because they are really special. They really can change the human life. I want to show a short video before the question.